If you want to install the downloaded apps or software or games from Google, website to your PC, the first thing you need to do is turn off your internet connection. So just click this and just turn off your Wi-Fi, or if you're using a cable, just disconnect this. So it's for safer side. In case if the app was installed only the internet connection was turned on, means on that condition you need to turn on the internet. Otherwise just turn off your internet first, then try to install. Then click this search and just type File Explorer. Then you can see this app File Explorer. Open that. Now click this PC and open the saved path. In default it will be stored to downloads, so just open downloads. Yeah, here you can see I have one installed app which is Audacity software. I downloaded this from Google website. So now just double click that. Then it will ask you your Microsoft PIN or password. You just need to enter that. So that's it. It starts installing. So after this you just need to click OK. That's it. If it asks to tick a checkbox, just read one time and tick the checkbox, then hit OK. So this is basically how you need to do to install any software, apps or games. So it's installing right now. You can see, just wait until it complete. So that's it. The app was open. Here you can see. Then if you want to add this app icon to desktop, open the File Explorer and just right click here over the app and create shortcut, and just cut this shortcut, Ctrl X and desktop, and here just paste. That's it. So now the shortcut was created to the desktop. In case if you want to know the details of this app, if you want to uninstall or you want to modify anything, click this search and just type Control Panel. Just like that, and open this and click Uninstall a program. Here you can see the every details, name of the software or app, publisher, installed date, size and version. So this is it. This is how you need to install a software on your Windows PC. And if you want to know more videos about this topic, watch these videos.